What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with homie Eric. About to go to Irwindale and we might just put this Q on the track. I've actually never been on the track with any car, not even the Z. Back when it was NA, I was actually scared that it was gonna break when I launched it because of the prep or whatever. And this dude actually put his Z on it without a problem. So I should have done it. And now I'm actually positive that if I put the Z on the track, now that it's boosted, I will break something. So that's why I haven't gone. I wish that there was like a roll racing track. I feel like I would be there all the time. But anyways, we're gonna put this stock boat on the track today. The only thing that is done to this Q50, for those of you guys that do not know, is test packs and muffler delete. Everything else is stock, no tune, nothing. I'm actually nervous to see how it does. After we put it on the track, I am actually gonna do some donuts in the burnout pit too. So we're gonna waste our tires today. And this man is over here ready for all the smoke.
Hell yeah.
You want some flowers, babe?
Oh yes, babe.
We just got here and look at that GT500 on the tire. I'm literally gonna be the slowest car on the track.
Yeah.
But it's all good. We got the fast car at home. We just can't drag it. I'll catch you on the freeway though. We're here, bro. We're literally probably gonna be the fastest car. We're literally probably gonna be the slowest car on the track, bro.
Everybody looks like they got welds and slicks.
Hey, at least the freaking RPF1 is kind of fat.
Been here before launching. Yeah. Okay, you know where the station is?
Alright, guys. My first time ever at any track strip. Any car.
You guys come by me. Hand out the window like this. I can't see through this. I can't see through that. I don't want to shine the light in your eyes. I've got to see your wristband every time. Okay. So put it out the window. So let me see your wristband. You got a wristband?
I'm gonna leave right now.
Out of the car, please. Do me a favor, bro. Don't bring anybody on staging unless they have this wristband. Okay?
Okay. Got it.
Out of the car. You can't be in the insurance.
Well, guys, they kicked Eric out the car because he didn't have a wristband. He took my camera, so. See, did he? I got my GoPro. Alright, guys, we are now in line. Eric said I'm gonna race that Mustang, bro. So let's just go home. Save the embarrassment. Well, honestly, guys, I didn't come with the intentions to race anybody or anything. I just want to see how this thing does on the strip, and I wanted to bring you guys a video. Look at this Hellcat on the B-blocks. Got a beamer over here on the tire, too. These trucks are pretty quick, dude. Coyotes? Oh, what the f, dude, this is the Camaro that I seen at the meet. The last video, literally. That's funny. We got a GTO on a tire over here. Everybody's on tires. Oh, this one's clean, bro. M440i. I haven't seen one of these in person. Should I get one of these? A little B58? Good. That could have been me in the Camaro, bro. There's sick bands right here. There's actually some. Oh, look at this Camaro right here, dude. Full drag pack. This one's sick. You think it'll got the Z? Probably, I don't know. What do you think? I like this one though. It's real clean. Look at this Camaro, bro. Looking insane. There's a lot of crazy ass cars right here. RS3. Bro, this Mach 1. Oh my god, bro. I need a cam vet, guys. I need a cam vet ASAP. got nervous. I got nervous.
Shit was funny.
Guys, I got nervous. I hit a 9.3. I jumped the light and I missed going into second. What can I say, bro? It's my first time ever.
That's sick.
I've raced so many times, but never on an actual track. So I was a little nervous, bro. What can I say? Could have been me with the Camaro. I feel like I'll never get over that. How's it, Roddy? I hope I raced that Camaro on the back. I think it's a little bit slower than that Mustang. That Mustang is just probably one of the fastest cars here, bro. What a way to start this journey. Racing the fastest car
versus the slowest car.
Oh my god, bro, that's so wet. Black Z01 with no wing, full drag pack. That's literally my Forza build right there. I need a Z01 in my life, bro. Another Camaro. Another Camaro. What's that same blue one? Fucking sick, bro. Badass, right? Alright, guys, let's try this again. Let's hope I don't get nervous this time. If I'm not wrong, that's the Sheepy Race R8 right there. Super. See, that's gold right there, bro. Hey, there's another Q50. Bro, I want to race him. Hey, bro, I'm pulling over. I'm going into the other lane. Looks like I'm racing a 340i. I'm for sure gonna get gapped. Not bad. That was actually a pretty good one. Not bad. R8. Let's see what this thing does. Oh my god, bro, 5.4. Who do you think got a faster time? The R8 or this one? Probably the R8. I see R8. Well, I know this one's gonna be fast too, bro. Damn, barely, bro. 5.5. Fast car, bro. That's pretty fast. Must be nice, sir. With the Mexico plates. Gangster, bro. There's a Huracan. I think it's boosted too. Must be nice. One day I'll go to the shop. One day. We're gonna hit the donut box now. What do you think, bro? I got Hadro now. I don't know, bro. But it's gonna be the same thing as the fucking track. Get nervous. I'm actually curious to see what this truck does. That was whack. My dad. Whoa. See what? There it is. Do a burnout, bro. What is it? The safety is... Yeah, these cars are annoying sometimes, bro. They just open up. I was thinking about these cars, bro. Sometimes they're slide friendly and sometimes they're just not. Like at first it wasn't sliding, bro. But I mean, it just takes practice, I guess. I myself need a lot of practice in this car, the Q50. All right, guys, we're gonna get out of here. Your boys haven't got to the gym today, and we're both on a diet, so we gotta go hit this gym real quick. It was fun though. Dude, it smells like rubber in here, big time. I love it though. You don't like it?